Hello students, in the video la Hardy-Weinberg Principle la irundhu ketirukka NEET previous year questions paaka porom. So the first question is match list 1 with list 2. List 1 la terms kuduthirukanga, list 2 la the terms oda meaning kuduthirukanga. So A, gene pool means total number of genes and their alleles in a population. A, 4. Then genetic drift means change in gene frequency by chance. So some random events nala gene frequency change agiradhu genetic drift. So B, 2. Then gene flow means transfer of genes into or out of the population. So C3. Then gene frequency it is stable and constant within a generation according to Hardy-Weinberg principle. So D1. So option B, A4, B2, C3, D1 is the correct answer. Then which of the following factors will not affect the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium? So given options with genetic recombination, genetic drift, gene migration. இது மூணுமே Hardy-Weinberg principle வந்து affect பண்ணும். Whereas constant gene pool, it will not affect the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. Option D is the correct answer. Then natural selection where more individual acquire specific character value other than the mean character value leads to. So other than the mean character value, more individual specific character value acquire பண்ணாங்கன்னா it leads to directional change. Option B is the correct answer. Then the factor that leads to founder effect in a population. So founder effect ன்றது ஒரு small group of population ஒரு larger populationல இருந்து separate ஆகி ஒரு new species develop ஆகுறது it is founder effect. So the factor that leads to founder effect in a population is option A, genetic drift. Then a gene locus has two alleles, capital A, small a. If the frequency of the dominant allele A is 0.4, then what will be the frequency of the homozygous dominant, heterozygous and homozygous recessive individuals? அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So frequency of the dominant allele A is P. நம்ம already பார்த்திருக்கோம். So P 0.4 கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. So according to Hardy-Weinberg principle, P plus Q is equal to 1. So 0.4 plus Q is equal to 1 நமக்கு Q வந்து 0.6 கிடைக்கும். So according to Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, P square plus 2PQ plus Q square is equal to 1. So frequency of homozygous dominant allele அப்படின்றது homozygous ரெண்டுமே வந்து dominant allele இருக்கும். Capital A, capital A. So P square பண்ணோம்னா so capital A ஓட frequency P, homozygous dominant allele capital A ஓட frequency P square. So 0.4 square பண்ணோம்னா 0.16 கிடைக்கும். Then frequency of homozygous recessive allele அப்படின்னா ரெண்டுமே small a. So அதோட frequency 0.6 square பண்ணோம்னா we will get 0.36. Then frequency of heterozygous allele. So according to Hardy-Weinberg principle, heterozygous allele ன்றது 2PQ. Okay. So 2 into 0.4 into 0.6, capital A, small a, 0.48 கிடைக்கும். So option D, 0.16, 0.48, 0.36 is the correct answer. Thank you.